I will give Obi Cubana 1 million naira if he can show me any of his factory or investment hotel or anything where he build in this southeast. I will give him 1 million naira. A lot of people they complain, say, why do Obi Cubana build this factory or something like company where he build in Lagos where they produce keke or keke pass? I don't know. Some people are complaining why he don't build them for this southeast. But I want to thank Ojukwu and I want to thank Nnewi. Nnewi people make we Igbo be proud. But first of all, I want to appreciate and I want to thank all the Nnewi people. And I want to thank Ojukwu for what Ojukwu did to Nnewi. Listen to me. You will not tell a rich man where he will spend his money. That one concerns them. It's not my business. But I want to tell all the Igbos that doing investment, building factory outside Igbo land. Listen to me. In next 200, 300 years, 500 years, I'm not sure that your children will get that your investment. I'm not sure that your children will eat the fruit of your labor in next 200 or 300 years. This thing that all these Igbos, this investment that all you Igbos are building outside Igbo land, in next 300 years, your children will not eat it. Mark my word today. I want to tell all the Igbos, don't ever try to do investment outside Igbo land because there is nothing like one Nigeria. Some of you people, they talk say insecurity in this southeast is truth. But I want to tell you now, enter motor from here to Lagos, you are not safe on the road. Enter motor from here to Kaduna, you are not safe. From here to Abuja, you are not safe on the road. Insecurity is everywhere in Nigeria. All these people where they say insecurity in this southeast, ask them how many factory, how many investment they have built in Igbo land before the insecurity starts. Before I recognize any Igbo man as a millionaire or billionaire, that man must have any investment he did in this southeast. But all these Igbo people where they do investment in Lagos, Abuja, I know recognize you people as a rich man or rich woman. I recognize somebody that have factory where they produce pure water in this southeast. Damn, that Igbo billionaire that have private jet that did not even do any investment in this southeast. I don't even recognize that person. I recognize that person that build pure water factory in this southeast. I recognize that person. That person, Oga Obi Cubana. Try your best to bring some of investment in this southeast. Employ our youth, make them the work. Try your best to bring it. Enugu State, Ebonyi State, Abia, Anambra and Imo. Try your best to bring some of investment in this southeast and employ our youth, make our youth work. All the Igbos, bring your investment in this east so that your children will eat the fruit of your labor. So that your children will eat the fruit of your labor. I have spoken.